Hello everyone, welcome NIKO Spring TV show. I have Michelle and on way I take her go out, take the picture and make video. So look at see her hair look not good, miss it. And today I want repair her hair. First time you want repair her hair, you should be hair quick. And if you want quick, you order from the China. I waiting 1 month they send for me. Now I have quit. I repair her hair, cut a short hair for her, and put quit around her head. Okay, follow me and look at me. How do I do for her?
This old man, he played one. He played knick-knack on my thumb with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played two. He played knick-knack on my shoe with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played three. He played knick-knack on my knee with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played four. He played knick-knack on my door with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played five. He played knick-knack on my hive with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played six. He played knick-knack on my sticks with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played seven. He played knick-knack up in heaven with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played eight. He played knick-knack on my gate with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played nine. He played knick-knack on my spine with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played ten. He played knick-knack once again with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home.
Look at this, it's very nice. I love it. Looks very different. And I know a lot of people look like me love Phice. I have a big fan, Phice. And looks very new. Okay, zoom her face. It's my Phice though.
Okay, this is my pizza after I repair her hair. I cut a short hair for her and put a little bit wig under her hair. Looks very young. Before her hair messy. Look older now. She look like younger and sexy. I think so everybody can do that look like me and easy mate. Okay, and now I say goodbye. Thank you everybody watching. See you next my video. Bye bye. I'm Michelle. See you next my video. Thank you watching. Bye bye.